Now let's look at the last example problem for this topic. This is a lead code problem called the subarray product less than k. So we are given an array of positive integers and the threshold k, and we want to count the number of all continuous subarrays where the product of all the elements in the subarray is less than k. So in this sample input where we have four numbers, the answer is 6 because first all the four size 1 subarrays work because these four numbers, they are all less than 30. And when we consider size 2 subarrays, the first one doesn't work, so 10 times 5, that's 50, that's too big. But the second one, 5 and 2 works, and the third one, 2 and 6 works. So that gives us 6. Now consider the size 3 subarrays. The one with the smallest product is these 3, which is 60, but that's too big. So we have 4 size 1 subarray and 2 size 2 subarrays, so our answer is 6. So this example problem differs from the previous example problems in that we want to count the number of windows that work instead of just getting the minimum or the maximum. But in fact, the code is actually fairly similar because suppose we find the maximum window that works at a ending at a particular point. Then I know any sub-window of that ending at the same point will also work. So we can basically count the total number of windows by counting how many number of window works for each ending point. So this is when we are using approach 2 to implement the sliding window. So similarly, we can for approach 1 we can do it similarly. So here is the code using approach 2. So we have we loop over all different ending point, and each time we include this new number into the window, and then we shift the left pointer until the window works. So when if the product is too big, we'll keep moving the left pointer, removing the number from the window. And after this, we essentially find the maximum window that still works at this ending point. And then the number of sub-window that works is it's basically, if we have if a 3-element works, then the 3-element subarray ending at a particular point works. Then the 2-element and 1-element would also work. So we add this to the count. So essentially, for every iteration of the loop, we are computing how many window work ending at the current ending place. So then we add that to the total count. So that's how to do this, and that's the end of this topic.